My video will provide you with help to get rid of the new ransomware from the DJVU family. This ransomware is called Azqt. The ransomware is called like that because it encrypts the files and appends this Azqt extension to the file names. My video, though, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to protect the files. So before the ransomware attack, we were able to open the files without troubles, but sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the system. So then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data because of this Azqt ransomware. The ransomware encrypts the files and appends this special Azqt extension additionally to the file names, and so it is then impossible to use the data anymore. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is surely not a good idea. Don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this goal. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, so do not skip this very important step. After the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the software begins scanning your system. The scanning itself will of course take some time. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature, but it does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data, but it does not decrypt the files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files for you. I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium. This way your data would always be protected from further ransomware attacks. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to recover your data.